Facebook's going to pull the curtain back to see what Meta really costs. Coming up here in the jar. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:32 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. It is January 31st, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Want to start off with a big deal for Boeing. They have sold 34 airplanes to Qatar. They are freighters, 777s. Big deal for Boeing. Of course, Boeing disastrous with 777x problems of a couple of years ago. 787 Dreamliner not going any better. What a time to strike a deal. $14 billion worth of airplanes. Probably they get a little bit of a discount, Qatar does, right? When you buy 34 of them, you don't pay full retail. Boeing needed this win. They have been getting their keister kicked by Airbus for about 18 or 24 months, signing a big deal like this. In fact, there are some reports it's going to be signed in the White House Rose Garden. It's so big. Is a big benefit to a strong American company. Boeing picking up a win where it really needed one, selling a bunch of planes to Qatar. Citrix officially sold to Elliott and Vista, $13 billion on the equity. They will assume the debt for about another $3 billion. Total enterprise value of the company, $16 billion. Of course, Citrix is the leader in work from home software, right? If you want to plug into your company's network from home, a little bit of that going on here today. Then you use Citrix, right? That's just sort of their main business line. They've got a strong moat there. One of the interesting things there is this is going private. It is a leveraged buyout, i.e. Elliott and Vista are using a pretty good amount of debt to go ahead and buy the equity in Citrix. Generally, we see more leveraged buyouts at lower equity valuations, right? You do not see them near the top of market highs. You do not see them when all-time highs are about 10% away. If we see further market retracement down 20, 30%, I would expect to see private money come out of the woodwork, start buying some public companies in leverage buyouts. Right now, prices in the market may be just a little bit too high for that to become a big deal. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Monday, Facebook, Meta, the company, as I shall call it, has said it is going to start separating out the metaverse in its quarterly earnings reports. They say it's going to cost about $10 billion to build the metaverse. Of course, it used to be known as the Oculus program. Now they're going to strip out Reality Labs, put it in its own line item so analysts don't have to guess what they're spending to build the next phase of their company. Meta, I can't wait for the earnings on Monday. I think it's just the most exciting, coolest new project that I've seen in a long time. Hopefully, they have the engineers to pull it off. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me. I'm out there on the internet. Till then, hope you have a really great rest of your Monday. I am out.